model, 62-plate LF DAF trucks LF 7.5 T-box underslung tail lift automatic drives great export. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 212,756. Engine, 4,500 cc FR118A. Transmission, rear-wheel drive automatic gears. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash star-struck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest lorry that is ready to get in and go anywhere you like. Really nice running truck, has been very well maintained.